How to create custom link on WordPress. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply go to wordpress.com and log into our WordPress account. Once you're routed to your WordPress account, go to the left panel and simply search on appearance. Now under appearance, click on menus. Now here in the menus, simply select or manage your menu. So here you're going to simply choose a um, menu right there. And then after which, if you want to create a new menu, you could also do that by clicking this one. And here, as you can see, we have custom links right here. So under custom links, you just need to input the URL. So for example, we're going to have like youtube.com and then input a link text and simply add to menu. Once you've added it to menu, as you can see, a new menu item has been added. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.